बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। This is DIY craft video signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very amazing and very unique sewing craft ideas. These are best and stunning and very beautiful handmade sewing ideas for your home decor. These are very amazing and these are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are best sewing ideas for you guys, especially for girls to decorate your homes, and some bags designed for you guys. Hope so you all are doing well, and these are super incredible and these are very amazing and very unique sewing craft ideas for you guys. You guys watch different other craft videos on my channel about different craft work, pebble craft, sewing craft, crochet craft, and so on. I'm glad to see you all guys. Keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and very pretty ideas for you guys. So viewers, always take care and always remember me in your prayers. These are best ideas for your home decor. These are amazing and stunning and very classy and very beautiful collection for you guys. Follow for more details, and if you want different kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos. You must watch those videos on my channel. So viewers, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. and for watching my videos.